Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so hot and mining, it's looking good. And someone asked me, how high can we go? And yes, this was our top of the third wave in yellow. And I am still exploring the situation here, the possibility that this was the fourth wave. So we have an A, a B, and a C done. And also this was a bigger A wave of the fifth wave. And if I do a zoom out, also, if we start to count a little bit, micro counting, we can say this was an A, a B, and then 5 way up. It's pretty much a diagonal, right? So this A, B, C for wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C, wave 3, wave 4. I need to do some relabeling. I know it's a little bit messy. I think the other chart maybe was good, better. Okay, so 3, 4, and then we have an A, a B, and a C. So you can see that ideally wave 1 to 1, wave A to wave C, the target would set us to 119. Now let me remove some, the brush again. Let me remove some fibs. I think 1 is okay. So you can see now we are at the 0.786 fib retracement, or fib level 102.76. This is the reason why hot and mining is a little bit struggling to get to that level, but we do have also a scenario where this C wave can extend and go way higher. And so yeah, 182, I know that's crazy. That's pretty much a substantial gain from where we are. But now if I take the other chart again, this could happen, but only if, once again, we have this scenario. This was a 1-2, still working into the third wave. Let me double check here. A, B, C, 1, 2. And within this third wave, we have a possible 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So this could be just the third wave. And then we have the fourth, and then we can push even higher here. And yeah, so that's pretty much how I see it now for the moment. And depending on how deep we go on this fourth wave, ideally, if price can kind of stretch on the side and allow the MA55 to gain some level and maybe reach the $85 would be nice. So it would prevent the price to go lower. So then after that, we could make an estimation target for that fifth wave. And just to have an idea or a scenario, wave 1 and 3, let's say that this is the end of the third wave and we go to the 0.82. I said 0.82, sorry, 0.382. Then $121 would be a target. Now, can we go even higher? Yes, we can. As I did for the other chart. These are the levels we could go. So if we manage to push higher and already reach for this third wave the 1-to-1 ratio 114, then after that we need to be careful, because once again this let's remember, this is an A, B, potential C. Maybe this C wave could fail anytime, okay, and then we can go lower. But yeah, if the third wave reached this level, then it would be very realistic to have a fourth wave, not that low, and possibly having a fifth wave. Now, under 72, under 80, it's a little bit of a stretch, but under 33, under 45, very feasible. Because let's also remember that Anyway, I don't want to emphasize too much on a possible target, because we don't even have, I cannot even say that this third wave it's completely and officially closed or completed. So let's wait and see how it goes. I think this I already put it up to date pretty much. Yeah, so let's see if price really start to reverse or not. If it does, then we can estimate maybe after it does an A, a B, and start to go lower, we can estimate the C target, and then after that, when we have a price, if we have a price reaction into this area, then we will see. Once again, if price keep going higher, this is static, so it's going to go and drag the price higher, right? So this is not set in stone. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.